Hello students, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I hope that by now you all have understood that how to give your online exam, because yesterday only you have practiced your mock test trial, isn't it? So by now I hope that you have an idea that how you will be giving your upcoming online exams, right? So students, make sure that you all are added to your class teachers WhatsApp group so that all the important information will be given to you all, right? And if you are not added, please go to your class teachers YouTube channel, write your name and write your number which has to be updated on the WhatsApp so that your class teachers will add you, okay? Now let's talk about the video lesson. So students, in the recent video, we had started with our course book poem number 4, Funny Looking, right? And we have discussed the introduction and first stanza. So today we will be proceeding on to second and further stanzas. So without any delay, let's begin. So students, we have already seen that there is a boy in the first stanza, right, who was not very good looking and who faced a lot of humiliation and insult from the society, right? He was not getting that acceptance. He wanted to have that acceptance, but he was not getting that acceptance. People used to make fun of him. They were laughing at him over his face. They were making comparisons and they were using humiliating and insulting remarks for this boy, right? And he was very much depressed by this behavior, right? So he was totally broken. So now let's proceed to stanza second and let's read further. The second stanza says, so yeah, I wasn't a handsome guy. Mom said my face could make onions cry. Dad took me to the zoo and a girl made a crack. How nice of that man to bring the monkey back. Now can you note something in this stanza? So yeah, I wasn't a handsome guy. Can you see that this boy is himself ready to accept that okay, I understand that I'm not a handsome guy. So what? See, what is the most important thing in our life? We know that we have some weaknesses and some strengths, but the most important thing is acceptance. So here this boy is ready to accept that okay, it's fine. I know that I'm ugly, okay? I know that I'm not a handsome guy, but I also need a respect. I'm also a human being, isn't it? So this is what breaks him internally. That's why he was very much depressed. Wherever he goes, people used to make fun of him. People used to laugh on him, on his face, that what type of a creature he is. When he goes to zoo, the children looks at him and they used to smile, they used to laugh and they say, how nice of that man to bring the monkey back. So here these children, they were making comparison of that man from whom? From monkey. Can you see? They were relating this person from an animal. Can you see that? How derogatory is that you are comparing a person from an animal just because that person is not good looking? Do you really think that looks matters a lot? That you will forget your humanity and you will start insulting a person, that the person will felt tormented from inside and that person will go to depression. Students, recently you have seen a lot of cases about Sushant Singh Rajput, right? And you have also seen that he was such a superstar, though he died because of depression, right? So we cannot judge that whether this person might not be having depression or maybe having depression. See, our ages are different, our challenges are different. Maybe for you depression is something else and maybe for my age depression is something else, right? We are living in 21st century and it is very important that we should take care of our mental health. Our mental health is also very important. So I understand that our physical appearance is important. It's good to be healthy. But to stay mentally fit is also very important. To keep your mind relaxed, right? To have peace, it is very important. So we must do meditation for that. Otherwise, what will happen? We'll keep on doing overthinking and one day we will be so depressed that our mind will definitely gonna blast. It seems like so many thoughts are there in our mind and we need somebody to share those problems, right? But here, this boy was not having even a friend so that he can share his problems, right? Always he was feeling insulted and humiliation. Wherever he used to go, he felt such kind of insulting and derogatory remarks, right? Everybody was commenting over his face that he was such an ugly person that nobody likes to look at him. Even the mother was saying that, you know what, your face looks like as if onions gonna cry. So mother says, mom said my face could make onions cry, that I'm so ugly that even if onions will look at me, they will also cry. So can you feel the situation of a person, that how tormented he was feeling, that everybody was insulting him, that you are very ugly, right? So this is how he was feeling. He was very broken from inside. Now let's try to understand further. So now let's see the third stanza. Third stanza says, once I got sick with the Asian flu. I needed some medicine like other kids do. The doctor was hardly a humanitarian when he suggested I visit a veterinarian. Now what is a veterinarian? Who is a veterinarian? The one who treats animals. Okay. So students, here we need to understand this. Once I got sick with flu, I needed some medicine like other kids do. Okay, it's fine that I'm ugly. It's fine. I've accepted that I'm not a handsome guy, but I'm also a human being. Okay, if I will also get sick, I need a treatment for that. I need to go to a doctor for that. But when I suffered from Asian flu, what happened? Doctor suggested that I should not go to a normal doctor. I should go to a veterinarian. Who is a veterinarian? Veterinarian is that the one who treats animals. So can you see the comparison? He is that ugly that even doctors can't see him. So he should go to consult those doctors, the ones who are treating animals. Can you see how bad he was feeling? He says the doctor was hardly a humanitarian. So it was the humanity of doctor that he suggested me that if I want to cure myself, I should go to a veterinarian so that they should give me proper treatment. So are you understanding how insulting remarks he faced in his life, that even doctor was not ready to treat him? He said that you should go to that doctor who is taking those patients like animals. Okay, the ones who are treating animals. So he was as bad as animals. So he should go to a veterinarian. Okay, so vet means those doctors who are treating dogs, animals, cats, right? So now this boy was very upset. He was very depressed. Students, here I would like to ask you that do you really think that look matters a lot in our life? Is it very important to be a good looking person? Yes, is it very important? Do you really think that somewhere our looks is the parameter to judge a person in this society, the world where we are living? Because if we talk about looks, we have different examples of those people who were actually not very handsome but were successful. If you know about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, do you really know that he was very handsome or he was very good looking? He belonged to a very affluent family. He wasn't belonging from a very affluent family. Rather, he was belonging from a very poor background. But then also he studied hard, right? And he became a scientist. And you know, he was also known as the Missile Man of India. Why? Because of his creativity, because of his creation, because of his inventions, right? Which he did for our country. So that is why he was given a huge respect. Everybody used to respect Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam because of his inventions for our country. So we cannot forget that. He was not a very good looking person. But it doesn't mean that if a person is not good looking, we should not respect that person. We should understand that that person is also a human being. So what if he is not having good looks? What you will do with good looks? Suppose if you are having good looks, but you are not having a golden heart. So what you will be doing with your good looks? Nobody is your friend, nobody is talking to you, you are a rude person. Then what you will do with your looks? If you are not friendly, if you are not doing anything to uplift this society, what your good looks will be creating then? Nothing. So your good looks will totally go in vain. So it's very important that if you have good looks, you should have a golden heart too. Right? You should have a good heart too. So that you can help others. You can help the society to uplift in upliftment, right? So that is more important. We all know that we have certain weaknesses, certain strengths. We should identify our weaknesses and we should work over them, right? And definitely with time we can improve ourselves. We all know that nobody is perfect in this world, isn't it? But then what should we do? We should keep on trying, because learning is a never ending process, right? We should keep on learning. That is the most important thing. Looks doesn't matter at all. Looks will be improved with time, right? If you have capital, if you have money, you can do plastic surgery, right? You can go for a plastic surgery and then your looks will be improved. But what I'll suggest you, that here we are talking about the originality of a person. We are talking about the originality, that whatever you are, you should be happy with that, right? You have to accept yourself. Once you will accept yourself, nobody is going to insult you, and then you don't need any plastic surgery or any different kind of surgeries. You have to be a good human being. You have to fill yourself with different qualities. You have to fill yourself with knowledge, with wisdom, right? So as soon as you will become a wise person, all the qualities will definitely come to you and people will start knowing your worth, right? So that is more important. Looks, eventually looks will also be improved, but the most important thing is to work over your knowledge, to work over your inner self. That is more important. Okay, understood till here? Okay. So students, I hope that you are understanding that looks are of course important, but not that important that we are ready to insult a person, right? That just because of us someone is going to depression. We should not be that cunning. We should be not that cruel. That we should become the reason of someone's sorrow. We should not do that. We should spread happiness in others' life, but we should not create depression for others, right? We should be a helping hand. We should do something to uplift this society rather than creating a mess. Okay, so looks are important, but looks are not everything. Okay, and what if people will not gonna accept you? The world will not end. Okay, it's not the end of the world that people are not accepting you, they are not liking you, and it doesn't even matter. You should be that you should be having that kind of attitude that you should not care, you should not bother. It's okay, it doesn't matter that everybody will like you. You need to understand that you are special for yourself, you are special for your family. Okay, so that is very important, and it's okay. Everyone can't afford diamonds, so you have to treat yourself as diamond. If you can't change the world, you have to change your attitude. Okay, you have to look at the things from different perspective, so that you will be able to live your life properly. Otherwise you people will be broken, you people will be depressed. If you will keep on doing overthinking, you will give importance to other comments, other remarks, so this way you will not be able to live your life. So you have to ignore certain things. You can't change people, but you can change your attitude to look at those things, right? They should not affect your happiness, they should not affect your inner peace. Okay, understood? So students, I hope that these two stanzas are clear to you all. So now in the upcoming video lessons, we will further read the other stanzas and will try to understand the poem further. Okay, so that's it for today. Now we'll meet in the next video lesson. Till then, keep on learning, keep on practicing, and yes, keep on completing your assignments. Goodbye, take care, and before going, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share the videos with your friends and classmates. Goodbye, take care.